the nice cards helpful?
Very. Thank you, dear.
Is there anything nice you want to say to me for a special day?
Excuse me?
No, dear, that's what you say after a loud belch.
Room 212, take robe.
Oh, the robe charge. Oh, I love the robe charge. I mean, where else but America can you buy a $8 robe, slap a cheap logo on it, and charge 75 bucks for it? I love when the sunshine finds me.
Mr. Payne,
Enter the scullery maid.
here are some things for the lost and found.
Really? What did the little fun seekers leave behind?
Well, this hat was in 208.
Hideous.
I found this book in the bar.
Danielle Steele is not a book. You might as well read the hat.
This pin was in the dining room.
Lovely.
And a pair of ladies' underwear from the man in 210.
Ah, yes, the Reverend Kingsley. The Lord does work in mysterious ways. Welcome to your new home. Into the lost and hopefully not found. Oh, Mo.
What I do?
I've got some things to send back to your family. Oh. For your sister. For your mother. And for your country's national library.
Thank you.
Make sure I get a receipt. You, my friend, deserve a better life.
Darling, what does this remind you of?
Aging Ken and Barbie?
You don't have a clue, do you?
About what, darling?
Today is...
The first day of the rest of your life.
Or for you, perhaps the last.
I'm ready. I've had enough. I see I'm in trouble. No, honey, wait a minute now. I was kidding you with my quick wit and my lighter side. Of course I know what today is. I'm not sure you do. I think maybe you're trying to drag it out of me because you don't know.
It's my birthday.
That's right. Happy birthday, precious.
It's our anniversary.
Gotcha. I know it's our anniversary. I love the way we play with each other like this.
Yeah, it's fun.
That's why our marriage has lasted 22 years.
19.
We did it again. Boom, boom, boom.
I got you a present.
I got you a present, too.
Right. Now you're going to run downtown, search around like a madman, and pick up the first ceramic clown head you can find.
You say that like it's easy. No, I have a real gift with real meaning.
If you think you can give me cash...
Doing it again. Boom, boom, boom. I got your present. I just have to go get it.
Stop. Give me the car keys.
Okay. Doesn't seem like the right kind of gift for 19 fun-filled years. Boom.
Mr. Payne, what's wrong?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Is this nice? Is it worth anything?
It was $1.20.
No. What is the... You're so small.
fish.
How many times do I have to tell you not to come in through the front?
Everyone else come through the front door. Why not me and the fish?
Because you and your fish stink.
You stink. My fish in water all day. When last time you in water?
You're worse than your brother.
You worse than my brother.
Where's the luckiest woman in the world?
Under Denzel Washington.
Shut your eyes.
Is he here?
Shut your eyes. I have your gift.
You know, you really didn't have to do this.
Oh, yeah, right. Like there was no obligation whatsoever.
Oh, Royal! Oh, it is the most... Oh, I love you! I love you! I love you! I can't wait to show it to Breeze!
Oh, no, don't. She's a virgin. Jewelry will drive her crazy.
What?
It's too fancy to wear at work anyway. Take it upstairs, and you can wear it tonight when we go to dinner.
We're going to dinner? You hate going to dinner.
Of course we're going to dinner. It's your birthday anniversary. Boom.
Mr. Payne,
Oh. Don't do that. You're like a little horror movie.
I had a free moment, and I want to thank you again for my existence.
Well, thank you, Mo. I really appreciate that. And then, now that I have a free moment, I'd like to ask you a question. Why do you have a free moment?
Mr. Payne.
What?
I'm sorry. I'm Carol Aubrey. I checked out this morning.
Nice to see you again.
Hi, Mrs. Aubrey.
Hi. I was halfway home when I realized that I have lost this beautiful diamond pin.
Whoa, no! Kidding.
The clasp is old and it must have just fallen off.
Oh,
We'll certainly let you know if indeed we find it.
but Mr. Payne.
Oh, I know the odds of it showing up, Reese, are 1 billion to 1, but we'll do everything we can. We'll question the hell.
It's a little silver and diamond thing.
Can I speak to you for a moment? Maybe 2 moments? It's really ethically important.
In other words, irrelevant to me.
That pin means so much to me. It was given to my grandfather by J. Edgar Hoover.
DJ Edgar Hoover.
Yes.
I knew he wore dresses. I had no idea he accessorized.
Mr. Payne.
I know it's a terrible thing to hear that men in government do strange things, but they do. Get over it. Now you. We'll do everything we can, but you know what might be a good emotional exercise? Just visualize never seeing the pin again. I mean, just to prepare for the worst.
I'd like to offer a reward. I'd be willing to give $1,000.
I'm going to handle everything myself because that'll pay for the search party, the dogs, the clairvoyance, everything. I mean, I don't care if we have to tear this hotel apart board by board. We're going to find that pin.
Has anyone ever told you you're a sweet, caring, compassionate human being?
Why don't I take you in the bar and I can buy you a drink and then I'll get the volunteers. Now, you just stay here and relax, Mrs. Aubrey. I have a very good feeling about finding that pin.
Oh, I hope so.
Oh. If J. Edgar Hoover could find a size 22 ball gown, we can find that pin.
Where you go?
Oh, first, I'm going to go upstairs because Mrs. Aubrey... I don't report to you. I report to her. Yes, Angel Cake?
I need your help.
Just a second, light of my life. All right, look, I need you to run upstairs. Mo! Back here.
Anything else?
I need you to go to my room. When you get into my room, go to my armoire.
Anwar?
Yes, on Warsadat. I've got the late dead president of Egypt in my room. No, it's a large wooden box in the room. Now go in it and get Mrs. Payne's jewelry box.
What do you need jewelry box for?
Well, because Mrs. Aubrey is what you just go?
Mr. Payne,
I'm gonna put bells on you people.
I think what you're doing to Mrs. Aubrey is despicable.
Despicable. That's a pretty big word for a little girl who just lost a job.
You don't scare me. I'm going right to Mrs. Payne.
That's a pretty silly plan for a little girl who just got a raise.
If you think...
What happened to you? I needed some help with the clasp on this thing.
The pin!
Oh, I know, Breeze. Isn't it the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? It is the most incredible gift that Mr. Payne has ever given me. What's wrong with her?
I'll tell you, she's jealous. No man, no sex, no jewelry. The three no's a woman hates the most. Let me take it upstairs so that it doesn't upset her.
Let me take you upstairs. I want to give you your present. It's a sexy negligee with all the trimmings. Come on, let's go.
Mr. Payne.
Down, boy.
Oh, it's our anniversary, you know.
Mrs. Aubrey, what are you doing?
19 years ago today, I grabbed this breast for the first time. As firm as the day I met her.
Congratulations.
Royal, do I need to hose you down?
No, Doc, oh, baby, I can't. I'm already on the love train. Why don't you go upstairs and get my present ready? My wife's gonna help me look. The only thing sharper than her breasts are her eyes. No! Love train, all aboard!
Slow down, conductor. You don't want the boiler to blow before you pull into the station.
Well, you know who knows a lot about trains?
Who?
Mo!
Why are you yelling?
No, not yelling. Just said, Mo!
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. It's like temporary Tourette's. Momo, bitch, smell my feet! Rectum, hogs, head, cheese. I hope it passes. Big blue dog, pudding.
Is this foreplay? Dirty Daddy, lick my shoes!
Where are you going?
To get the negligee.
Hi.
Hello. Excuse me, your present is in there.
Love dancer, let me get it. You know how I love rifling through women's clothing.
Okay.
Oh. I don't know how to thank you.
Oh, I do. You're acting strange. Keep it up. Why don't you go turn down the bed?
Good use of time. You want to use my bed or yours?
Yours, it's closer.
You crazy. Please get me out. I don't want to hear you and Mrs. Payne lying down as man and wife. It will harm me. I will have dreams.
Ready?
No.
So what do you think?
Much better than a pair of moccasins.
What are you doing?
Oh, I just wanted to give you the same kind of thrilling reveal you gave me. It won't be as dramatic, but that's what makes a horse race.
You're gonna wear my dress?
I shouldn't?
I wouldn't.
Take it.
Who are you talking to?
Huh? Oh, myself. A little pep talk. Not that I need it. We are going to make love now. So get out.
Thank you for finishing sentence.
You look, I want you. Good.
Mr. Payne, there were seals on the beach in your brochure, but we didn't see any.
Tough.
Ow! That hurt bad?
A little more than this.
I think what you're doing is wrong, and I'm going to tell Mrs. Payne. I don't care what happens to me.
I understand. Mo, put her in the freezer.
What?
Oh, so all of a sudden you do care.
Royal?
Oh, hey, hide this.
My pen! I can't find it.
Oh, my God.
It's just gone.
Well, you got to get upstairs and look for it.
You look down here.
Oh, I plan to. Darling, you should maybe try visualizing never seeing the pin again. Just to prepare for the worst.
If I've lost that pen, I'll kill myself.
We'll talk about that later. Hi. Enjoying your meal here at Whispering Pines? Oh, good.
What the hell are you doing?
Counting the shrimp. Wanted to make sure they're evenly distributed. 8, 9, 10. Okay.
You have to count the shrimp?
Well, they're not going to hold their little hands up for roll call. 9, 10. 11. Excuse me, just a moment, man. It's okay. I'm the owner. Oh, it'll cool much faster this way. I'll be back to bone your tuna.
Mr. Payne.
Oh, hi.
Any news?
Oh, no, not yet. But you know what? We're getting very close to finding that pin. Oh, look, a naked Olympian. God, look what I found.
My pin.
Oh.
This is wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, no thanks are necessary.
Oh.
The reward is reward enough.
Of course. Oh, this is such a relief. Let me just finish my lunch and I'll write you your check and head on home.
Absolutely, no rush at all. Mint?
Here you are, and thank you again.
I feel terrible taking this.
I don't want to embarrass you.
Oh, you're so sweet. Is this your current address?
I can't find it anywhere.
Her medication. You know what? If I don't get up there right away, she could have a fatal seizure. Let me walk you to your car.
Maybe I should stay. I'm a registered nurse.
Really? So am I. Bye-bye. Yeah, I know. Despicable.
How could I lose that pen the same day you gave it to me? I have ruined our anniversary.
Well,
Well, maybe someone will find it and turn it in.
yeah, sure. I mean, people are good. Basically.
I feel like I want to cry.
Oh, I hate to see you this way. That pin belongs on your breast. We're going to offer a reward.
You?
Absolutely. I want the smile back on my Connie's face. $500.
$500? How much did you pay for it?
person.
Crazy about you. $750.
Royal.
$1,000. And don't anybody try to stop me. I want that pin back, and I want it back now.
Oh!
Look what I found! A pin! I found a diamond pin!
My pen!
Oh my God.
Oh, Royal, do you believe this?
Oh, no, this is great! Thanks, Larry. See you Friday for crabs.
Wait a minute, Mr. Payne. What about the reward?
Yes, we were just talking about it.
Well, you know, actually, we haven't posted anything.
How much?
$1,000.
$1,000? I can go to Vegas for a week!
You know what, really, I think that if
Come on, Royal. We got the pin back. That's really the most important thing. Give the man his money.
Yeah, I find the pin.
Well, this has got to make everyone feel pretty darn good about themselves.
I feel pretty darn good.
Yeah, just go.
Oh, wow. What an anniversary. Things couldn't have worked out better.
No, I can't imagine it getting any better.
You're not going to believe this. I was in... That's my pin. Oh, no, it's mine. I got it for my anniversary. No, it's mine. I lost it here this morning. Royal.
Boom, boom.
Two men of God,
Bless you.
locked in one unholy feud.
I was the victim. He destroyed me. He's the one who showed up with a gun first.
What drove this preacher to hire a hitman?
He definitely planned ahead. Let's get the hell out of here. This was the 9mm.
Revenge. 48 hours in 1 minute.